Hello friends. Andurka is with you, and in this video I will answer your questions that you left in the comments under my guides to the story. So, Andurka, is it possible to make an AUTOCRAFT without orders, so that recipes are made as soon as there are resources for them? You can. And now I'll show you how. To complicate the task and bring everything closer to the real one, we will do automation using the Indus fashion from crafting an industrial stove. This question can be divided into two parts. In order to cope with the first one, we will need iron ore, an exporter, an importer, and a cable. Let's do continuous processing of the resource. We put an exporter, then an importer, connect everything with a cable and bring it to our main ME system with the same mails. And now we just need to put iron ore in the exporter, and if there is ore in our system, it will continuously flow into the furnace and be processed there, turning ingots. And the finished ingots from the stove will be taken out by the importer and placed in the E-system. For the second part of the question, we will need an improvement in crafting, templates, a chest, and an importer-exporter's cable. You will also need a crafter and a terminal with a template encoder. I propose to make a continuous crafting of items. The first thing we need is to make some kind of recipe. For example, from iron cream, because we have a lot of them. The recipe did not appear because this terminal is under the camp. You just need to get over it. Let's encode this template. Alright. We will introduce this template in crafting. So now almost everything is ready, but we need to make an item that we will create, at least in the amount of one piece. So, let's do it. Here, I will try to implement this with a wooden chest. Do it all clumsily, but the main thing is to explain the principle to you. Maybe you will do better and write to me in the comments. To do this, we just need one exporter. Connect this pipe to our system and see what I'll do. We place our iron boots in this exporter. They do not fit in our system, because we do not have them in the system. But as soon as we add the crafting improvement, they will now be continuously created if we have resources in our system. It's already working, but things are accumulating in the trunk. If we install an importer, then we will start looping like this. In fact, in this chest, things will accumulate, as it were, be pumped out and return to the same place. And there will always be one item in your ME system. We can take it this way and it will be replenished. So I'm supposed to have answered your question? Yes. The next and last question, how do I charge this remote? The fact is that Ryphen's story is not an independent mod and there are no generators in it that can charge blocks from this mod. Therefore, you will need a third-party mod, for example, Terralexp, where there is RF energy. I tried SDA with crafting, but unfortunately it does not connect to the controller. Just install our terminal in some device that can charge and it will start charging. If you need to recharge the controller, then just put it to a source of RF energy. For example, we have this cell here and it will start charging. Bandurka is with you and I hope I helped you by answering all your questions. For now,